To improve performance and reduce lag spikes on your Steam Deck, follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you optimize your device for a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Update software. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Lower the graphics settings in new games. Access the in-game settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow effects. This can help the device run more smoothly. Step 3. Manage background processes. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the library, and exit any games or apps that are not in use. This frees up system resources for your current game. Step 4. Optimize power settings. Adjust the power settings to prioritize performance. Go to Settings, select Performance, and choose a power profile that favors performance over battery life. This can help reduce lag during gameplay. Step 5. Monitor temperature. Keep an eye on the device's temperature. If it gets too hot, performance may suffer. Ensure proper ventilation and consider using a cooling pad if necessary. Regularly clean the vents to prevent dust buildup. By following these steps, you can enhance your Steam Deck's performance and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Regular maintenance and adjustments will help keep lag spikes at bay.